everybody, my name is Emma Naveed and today we are doing inverse operation. So, this is inverse operation. If we're timesing, the inverse is dividing. If we're dividing, the inverse is timesing. If we're adding, the inverse is subtracting. If we're subtracting, we're adding. The inverse will be adding. So that is inverse operation. Over here, we're doing inverse operation. In questions, you don't have to look at this. This is not part of the question, but that will help you with your question. So, our question here is times 4 equals 16. So, how should we do it? What we do is check what symbol is here. Right here it's times, which is over here, and its inverse is divide, so we're going to be dividing. So 16 divided by 4, which equals 4. Now we're doing divided by 3 equals 6. Can you tell me the inverse operation? Nice. The inverse operation is timesing. Because here we're dividing, the inverse of it is timesing. So 6 times 3, you can do that in your head if you get a question like this. 6 times 3 equals 18. Now 3, since there's a plus, can you find the inverse operation for a plus symbol? Yes, it's a minus. So we're going to be minusing. So here it is. 9 take away 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. So that equals 6. And now we're doing this one. You probably know it by now. It is minus, so the inverse operation is addition or adding. So let's do it. 8. Wait, can you do it? Do you know in your number bonds to 10? Then can you do it in your head? What's the answer? 10. So here you would put a 10. Inverse operation is a good way to do these questions quickly. Instead of writing all of this down, all you can do is just do this part in your head. It's easy to remember. So yeah. Now we'll give you your homework. So this is your homework. There is a hint up here for this first one. As soon as possible, can you write me the answers in the comments. If you want to, you can not write the question, but it's best if you do. Thanks for watching. Bye.